For most of the AutoCAD users, finding the geometric center of an object is really a challenging issue. Do you have that problem too? Let's solve it together. We can find the geometric center in two different ways. One of them is using the temporarily method, and the other is permanently. For using the temporarily method, we can come here and to see that if our object snap is active or not. If it is, for example, not active, we can make it active, and from here we should check that we have selected the geometric center. Now, if I start my line, if I come nearly to this part, as you can see, it shows me the geometric center. I can select it and I, for example, draw this line. For the other case, again, I draw the line. If I come to near my shape, it shows me the geometric center. But this geometric center is somehow challenging when most of your object snap is active. So what is the easiest way? The other way is using override object snap. For example, by using a point to make it shown forever. Here, I can come to use my points in here. If I use my point, how can I find the geometric center? For example, imagine that my object snap is not active here. I can use Shift and right click. Here, I have my override object snap. If I come to geometric center and select this, if I come to this part, you can see I have it. I select on this. Now I have a point in this center, geometric center. I can use enter here again. I can use Shift and right click. The geometric center, here if I come, I can select. Now both of my shapes have their known geometric center. If you found this tutorial useful, like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.